Bank statements. The bank statement reflects the bank's transactions with the business. All money that the business received and debited in its accounting records will be credited on the bank statement. All money that the business paid and credited in its accounting records will be debited on the bank statement. At the end of the month, the bank sends the business a bank statement that shows the deposits, receipts, that's the money that the business gets in, as well as the withdrawals, the payments that the bank has entered. The bank statement is then compared with the business's accounting records. Bank statements. The purpose of a bank statement is to show the client exactly which amounts were deposited and which amounts were withdrawn from his or her bank statement. The bank statement reflects the bank's transactions with the business's general ledger. So for example, here we have an example of a bank statement. You can see that the deposits on the bank statement are credited. That's the money that the business is putting into their business. And the checks and ATM withdrawals are debited. That's the money that the business is using. So that is money that is leaving their account. Cash invoices. Businesses that receive larger payments or require more information about the transaction for themselves or their clients prefer to use a cash invoice rather than a cash slip. A cash invoice contains more information than a slip and is in fact a payment request. This is an example of a cash invoice. So, number 1, the invoice number 455. Number 2, address and other details of the business, 24 School Street, Cravenby, 7493. Number 3, date of transaction, 7th of March 2020. Number 4, person to whom sold. If not available, simply type cash sale. So, O'Dunk Bar, 3 Duty Road, Belgravia, 7764. Number 5, details of the transaction, so skirts and dresses, and how many, 2 dresses and 5 skirts. The total amount payable, number 6, 1,525. E&OE stands for errors and omissions accepted. It is a standard term that means that errors may have taken place and could be corrected later.